Do you want to create a dashboard that looks absolutely stunning and is so easy to create? That is not just intuitive but functional as well. This is the dashboard that I just prepared using Claude, and today that's what I'm going to show you how you can create the similar dashboard in Claude in just under 5 minutes. So before we move on, let me show you the functionality of this dashboard. So on the top you can see we can sort the data in terms of years. Then we can also sort them in accordance to the quarter, in accordance to the region and the department and the customer type as well. So let's say for example I want to see the data for 2025 for fourth quarter, and I want to see the data for all the regions and for all the departments. And let's say for the customers, I just wanted to see the data for retail customers. So you see how the data and everything changes as soon as I select any particular filter. And on the dashboard you can see the total net sales, the total net profit, the average net margin, the total COGS, and you can also see below here it is also comparing this data with the previous year as well, what the data was for the previous year, applying these same filters. So below you can see the performance by state, top 10 states with respect to sales. Then there's a revenue and profitability breakdown, and there is an expense breakdown and an expense allocation and some other data as well. So yeah, we are going to prepare this dashboard right now in Claude in just less than 5 minutes. So let's get started. So the first thing is we have to move to the Claude, and for this tutorial I'm using the free plan for Claude, although it is useful to upgrade Claude to a pro plan if you are using Claude on a consistent basis, because on the free plan you cannot use Claude on a very consistent basis. It is often going to limit your usage. So but for this tutorial purposes I'm going to use Claude, that is free version. So the first thing first, you need to feed data to Claude in order to prepare any dashboard. The data is the backbone. So I already have a sample data with me that I'm going to upload it here. But before, I need a very detailed prompt that I will ask Claude to write it by itself. I will just copy and paste a simple prompt. This is the prompt that I'm going to use. Let me read that prompt for you. I'm asking Claude, consider yourself as a top expert prompt writer for finance and write a detailed prompt for me to convert attached data that includes sales by region, state, segment to be transformed into a very intuitive and functional dashboard, which is going to tell me the sales, profit, expenses by state. The prompt should be very detailed. Now you can also add custom sections as well. For example, I have added create a specific section for sales comparison by state, create a specific section for comparison of sales for each month with the previous year, and I want a pie chart to see the allocation of the expenses. So you can play with the prompt and you can add or less the details as you like. So this works fine for me for now. So let's run it, and now Claude will come up with a very detailed prompt, which if I'm going to type, it's for sure going to take at least an hour or so. So let's Claude do the prompting for me. Okay, so it has started to write the prompt. It may take a minute or so, or maybe 2 minutes to finish the prompting. And once it's done, we will simply copy this prompt and paste it back in the Claude and give it the data so that it can come up with the dashboard that we are looking for. Okay, now it just finished prompting, but it has divided the prompt into 7 sections. Now I have to copy this manually, but instead let's ask Claude to compile all the sections in single plain text form. Okay, so it just finished the prompt for me. Now the prompt is available on a single compiled plain text form. So I'm going to simply copy this prompt. I'm going to paste that prompt in the cloud, and now I'm going to attach here the sample data that I just prepared in order to prepare this dashboard. So yeah, our data is uploaded, our prompt is pasted. So now let's run the command. Now it will take Claude a few minutes to come up with the dashboard that is fully functional and intuitive. So let's wait for a while and let's Claude finish its job. Okay guys, Claude just finished creating the dashboard. Now let's download this dashboard and see how it looks like. So you can see how this dashboard has been created. All the elements are the same. And yeah, our dashboard is ready. We can select the filters on the top. We can play with all the filters and sort according to the things how you want to analyze the data. And that's how you can create an intuitive and interactive dashboard using Claude. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.